Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 1 of term 2 book. Name of the chapter is decimals and this is our lecture 8. And today's subtopic is word problems. Word problem sums we will do from exercise 1F. Questions 1 to 5. Let us start our exercise 1F. Question number 1. A worker in factory gets rupees 80.85 as daily wage. Find the wages of 27 workers. These type of questions we have done in whole number chapter also, that was operations on whole numbers. But now these are in decimal chapter, so decimal is there. Wage means दैनिक भत्ता, रोज की कमाई. So a worker in the factory gets rupees 80.85 for one day, and we have to find out the wages of 27 workers. So one worker get wages rupees 80.85. One worker get wage rupees 80.85. 27 workers get wages. 27. 1 say 27 workers. So we will do multiplication. Rupees 80.85 multiply by 27. Now multiplication will be done without considering decimal. 8085 multiply by 27. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3 59. 9 5 carry. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 5. 7 8s are 56. Now we will start multiplication with 2. So we will put cross sign below 5 at one's place. Now 2 5s are 10. 0 1 carry. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 7 1 carry. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. And 2 8s are 16. Now we will do addition. 5, 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 7, 12, 2, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 6, 11, 1, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Now we will put decimal here in our answer. So write down this product, that is 218,295 here. If we are not considering decimal, then it is 2,18,295. Write down this numeral here. And now, after decimal, there are two digits in our question, 1 and 2. So, count from ones plus ones, tens and then put decimal. So, our answer will become rupees 2,182.95. These are the wages which will be got by 27 workers. Now question number 2. Raj has rupees 982.30. He gave 1/4 to his son and 1/2 to his wife. राज के पास 982.30 रुपीज़ थे. उसने इस रुपीज़ का, इस अमाउंट का 1/4 पार्ट अपने सन को दे दिया एंड 1/2 पार्ट अपनी वाइफ को दे दिया. हाउ मच मनी डिड राज कीप फॉर हिमसेल्फ. राज अपने लिए कितना मनी रखता. डिड इज है ना, राज ने अपने लिए कितना मनी रखा. सो राज हैज मनी रुपीज 982.30. Money given to his son 1/4 of rupees 982.30. So 1/4 multiply by rupees 982.30. Now we will remove decimal by changing it into form of fraction. Is equal to 1/4 multiply by rupees 982.30 was there. So decimal will be removed. And after decimal there are two digits. So denominator will contain 100. So now number has become 98,230 upon 100. Right? Now 0 and 0. We will cancel it. 1 0 from numerator and 1 from denominator. Now the number left is rupees 9,823 upon 4 tens are 40. Now 9,823 divided by 40. 42 is 80. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. We will consider next digit 2. 44 is 160. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. We will take next digit, that is 3. Number is 223. 45 is 200. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, number is left as a remainder, 23. So, we will put decimal and we will consider one more 0. The number will become 230. 45s are 200. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 30 is left. Take one more 0. Now, the number has become 300. Now, 47s are 280. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 20 is left till now. Again one more 0 we will take. And consider the 0 here. The number has become 200. Now 45s are 200. 200 minus 200, 0 remainder will left. Now remainder will be 0. So our answer is 245 decimal 575. So we have written here the answer after division, rupees 245 decimal 57. It is decimal 575. Right? This is the money given to his son. Now we will calculate how much money Raj has given to his wife. Now money given to his wife, 1 by 2 of rupees 982 decimal 30. 1 by 2 multiply, decimal we will remove and denominator will contain 100 because after decimal 2 digits are there. Okay. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 98,230 upon 100. 0 0 will cancel. 2 tens are 20 and 9,823 multiply by 1, 9,823. Now division will be there. 9,820 divided by 20. Now see how we will do division. 9,823. 24s are 20 is divisor. 9,823 is dividend. 24s are 80. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Now we will take 2. Number is 182. 29s are 180. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 2 is there. We will take 3. 21s are 20. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 is left. 3 is remainder now. So we will consider one 0 here. And we will take that 0. 3 will become now 30. 21s are 20. 30 minus 20, 10. Remainder is left. So we have to take one more 0 now. So one more 0 we will take and this 0 will be considered here. 10 will now become 100. 25s are 100. Now after decimal 2 digits. So count from ones, place ones, tens and then put decimal. 491 decimal 15. So after division we have got rupees 491 decimal 15. This much money he has given to his wife. Money left with Raj. Total money was 982 decimal 30 rupees. Rupees 245 decimal 575. This much money he has given to his son. And rupees 491 decimal 15 he has given to his wife. So if we are adding these two, we are getting rupees 736 decimal 725. And now if this money दिस मनी इज नॉट नाउ विद राज. राज ये मनी दे चुका है तो उसके पास नहीं है. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम द टोटल मनी. टोटल अमाउंट इज 982.30. As see here, after decimal we are getting 1, 2, 3 digits. So we have taken one more 0 here. I have added one more 0 because you know after decimal we can put 0 but outside, not in between the given digits. Okay. Now 982.300 minus rupees 736.725. Simple subtraction is there. After subtraction you will get the money which is left with Raj. That is rupees 245.575 rupees. Understood? The question is little big, but if the concept is clear, then you can do it very fast. Do practice of doing the questions related to multiplication and related to division. Now question number 3. The fuel consumption of a car is 84.15 liters of petrol in fortnight. How many liters of petrol is consumed per day? एक कार में कितना फ्यूल का कंजम्पशन होता है? फोर्टनाइट होता है 15 डेज. 15 डेज में 84.15 लीटर पेट्रोल कंजम्पशन में कंज्यूम हो जाता है, यूज हो जाता है, इस्तेमाल हो जाता है. तो आपसे पूछा गया है हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल इज कंज्यूम्ड पर डे. तो हर रोज कितना पेट्रोल कंज्यूम होता है? कंज्यूम्ड हुआ तो फोर्टनाइट 15 डेज. फ्यूल कंजम्पशन इन 15 डेज 84.15 लीटर्स. फ्यूल कंजम्पशन इन 1 डे. 15 डेज से आपको 1 डे में निकालना है तो कंजम्पशन कम होगा या ज़्यादा? डेफिनेटली इट विल बी लेस. सो वी विल डू डिवीजन. 84.15 लीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 15. 84.15 divided by 15. 15 5s are 75. 14 minus 5, 9. 7 minus 7, 0. Now take 1, number has become 91. 15 6s are 90. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Now take next digit, that is 5. We have taken first this digit 1, not number, okay. Digit 1 we have taken, number has become 91. Then 15 6 are 90. 91 minus 90, 1. Now we will take next digit 5. 15 1s are 15. No remainder is left. Division is completed. So no need to take any 0 in dividend. Now after decimal there are 1 and 2. 2 digits. Start counting from ones place. Ones, tens, then put decimal. So our answer has 5.61 liters. This much liter of petrol is consumed per day. Right? Next question is question number 4. Sonali bought 5 purses for rupees 105.75 and Tina bought 6 purses for rupees 180.60. Who paid less and how much for each purse? 5 पर्स की कॉस्ट भी गिवन है जो सोनाली ने परचेज की. 6 पर्स की कॉस्ट की भी गिवन है जो टीना ने परचेज की. तो किसने लेस पे किया एंड बाय हाउ मच? सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 पर्स रुपीज 105.75. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पर्स रुपीज 105.75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. नाउ सी 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Simply you can do either by division, by oral or by showing the cancellation here. Right? So you will get cost of 1 purse, that is rupees 21.15. After decimal 2 digits in your given question. After decimal 2 digits in your answer, that is in your quotient. Quotient में भी 2 digit, given question में भी 2 digit. Cost of 6 purses is given rupees 180.60. Cost of 1 purse, 1 purse की cost less होगी, so we will do division. 6 3s are 18. 0 is there, then 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6, 6 zeros are 0. So cost of 1 purse is rupees 30.10. Now we have to do comparison. Cost of 1 purse, the purse which Sonali has purchased, and cost of 1 purse, the purses which Tina has purchased. Now we will compare. Sonali has got the cost of 1 purse rupees 21.15, and Tina has got the cost of 1 purse rupees 30.10. 30.10 is more, and the question is that who paid less? Definitely Sonali has paid less because 21.15 is less than rupees 30.10. So Sonali paid less amount by how much? 30.10 minus 21.15. So after subtraction we have got 8.95. So Sonali paid less amount by rupees 8.95. Understood? Question number 5. Tom travelled 2.07 km by foot, 12.1 km by bus and rest by scooter. Rest होता है बचा हुआ डिस्टेंस. टॉम ने कुछ डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया बाय फुट, पैदल चल के, कुछ डिस्टेंस बस से ट्रैवल किया और रिमेनिंग उसने स्कूटर से ट्रैवल किया. If he travelled a distance of 29.05 km, find the distance he covered by scooter. Total distance is given to us. That this much distance is covered by Tom, and we have to calculate how much distance he has covered by scooter. So Tom travelled by foot 2.07 km. Tom travelled by bus 12.1 km. You will write here he travelled by bus. Total distance travelled by foot and by bus. We will do addition. 2.07 km plus 12.10 km. 12 plus 2, 14 km. Decimal 07 and decimal 10. Total is 17. So 14.17 km he has travelled by foot and by bus. Now distance travelled by scooter. Total distance 29.05 minus 14.17 km. So 29.05 minus 14.17. 5 minus 7 not possible, so it will take borrow. 15 minus 7 8. Now it was 10. 10 has become now 9 because it has given the borrow. 9 minus 1 8. 9 has become 8. 8 minus 4 4. And 2 minus 1 1. So distance travelled by scooter is 14.88 km. So after subtraction, don't forget to write down the answer here. Either here or you can write down here at last. Okay. Now it's time to take homework. Homework is do question 1, B part, question 2, A and B parts, question 3, A and B parts of worksheet. Worksheet is given after 1F exercise on page number 19. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 7. So open your work of lecture 7. You have to check. Your homework was do this word search puzzle. Search for the answers and fill up the blanks. Also circle your answers on the grid. This is a grid given to you in which alphabets are written and you have to find out the answers of these given fill-ups. Okay. So let's see first question. 0.76, 0.760, 0.7600, 0.76000 are all dash decimals. Beta, you see after decimal there are two digits 7 and 6. After that n number of zeros you can write down. So these all are like decimals. Okay. So here is your answer like. Next, in 871.768, 6 is in the dash place. 6, 10th and 100th on 100th place. Here is your answer, 100th. Right? 586.11, 586.321. Then 586.7 R. Now after decimal 1 1 2 digits, 321 3 digits, 7 1 digit. So these are unlike decimals. Here is your answer, unlike. Right? Next question number 4. 495.00 is a dash number. 495.00. It is 495 only, which is a whole number. Because after decimal there is only 0. So it is whole number. Here is your answer. Right? Have you got correct answers? Yes? If no, then you will do correction work. Erase and do correct. Do it correct. Thank you. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.